We interrupt your computer session for a Zach lighting error. Zach lighting was killed by someone. But anyways, do not turn off your computer. Repeat, do not turn off your computer. But if you turn off, then you will not look what happens. What? I have a Zach lighting error? Oh, that's it. I'm going to freak him out loud right now. And you know what? I'm turning off the... Hey, I see you turn off your computer, so don't do it again. Alright, now you lost another chance. If you don't stop turning it off, then you will lose another chance, and you will not like it. Now stop turning it off, right? Alright, you turn off again. Now, don't turn off your computer. If you turn off your computer, then you will not like what happened. And then, don't turn off your computer, right? I don't care, Zach Lighting. If I don't want to do my computer back, I will keep turning it off. Understand? Okay, I will not be nice anymore. This is gonna be serious. If you don't stop turning it off, then I will be mad at you. And you will not like it. Understand? Alright, I'm now mad at you. If you don't stop turning it off, then you will not hesitate your behavior. And if you don't stop turning it off, then I will be even more mad. Understand? Shut the hell up, Zach Lighting. I don't care what you want. And you just know it. I am not gonna listen to you, you idiot. Holy, oh my goodness. You have to insult me like that, and you hurt my emotions. And you know what? I am not hesitate your behavior because you insult me. That's it. If you turn off your computer one more time, then I will be in my evil mode, and you will not like it. What happens next? X. Jesus Christ, Zach Lighting, why you're yelling at me like that? Jesus Christ, you know what? I'm turning it off again. That's it. You asked for my evil mode. And don't say I didn't warn you now.